Hello, I'm Brad Carter at Gozney HQ. Today I'm going to be cooking chicken doner pizza. Okay, the first stage of the recipe, we want to get the tomato hot sauce done. Got some beautiful tin tomatoes, plum tomato, San Marzano, beautiful for pizza. And we're going to fuse that with the flavours of doner kebab. These are chilies, we're going to roast in the dome. So we're going to add them to the pan. A little bit of oil just to start them off. And the garlic as well. And then we just want the skins to blister a little bit so we can peel them off. Next stage of the recipe is to make the chicken doner. So we're going to do them on these amazing authentic skewers. We're going to do the doner in the KitchenAid. We've got chicken thigh meat, which has been minced like 2 or 3 times till it's really finely minced, like a paste. So chicken thigh meat's going into the mixer. We've got our seasonings, so I'll go one by one. This is obviously our salt, garlic powder, oregano, some white pepper, some onion powder, and the last, this is Aleppo Turkish chili. It gives it a nice little kick, also some really nice colour, what you get authentically running through a doner. So we're going to add that. And then we're going to give it a little mix just to start it off. It's quite pasty and it's exactly how it should be. It might feel a bit over minced. If you're used to making sausages or know about sausages, we want it really pasty, that's the whole point. And the last thing we're gonna do is mix it on the mixer with some iced water. That's gonna make an emulsification to the meat and make it really, really firm. Make sure you wash your hands after you handle raw chicken before you start using any other equipment. So we're gonna mix the chicken. When the chicken's well incorporated with the seasonings, we're gonna add a little bit of the ice water just to bring it all together. And you'll see that instantly change. So we've got our chicken mix, all the seasonings are in, added the ice water, we've got an emulsification. So you see now we've got like this paste of meat and it's quite bouncy and got texture, and that's exactly what we want. So now we've got the chicken mix, we're gonna put it in the fridge just to firm up. A couple of hours should do it before you shape it. Back to the hot sauce. So we've got our San Marzano tomatoes, beautiful tomatoes. We've got some chilies, which are roasted in the dome. What we're gonna do now is just peel off the skin. When you cook them in the dome, they get blistered. The skins come off really easily, and they should be like this. Chilies just depend on the heat you like. If you like it hot, go hard with the chili. If you want to hold back, just put one in. Garlic went in at the same time, so that can get chopped as well. I like the seeds, I'm going to leave them in. If you want to take the seeds out for less heat, do that as well. It really is just down to taste. Remember to wash your hands after you handle chilies as well, because you could touch something that you really don't want to. I'm just going to season it with salt. Tomatoes love salt. Quite like it quite chunky. I mean, you can curate if you want. Next, we're going to add a little honey, just to sweeten it all up, and balance it with some red wine vinegar. And we'll check the salt again at the end, just to make sure we're happy with it. Oh, come on. Now the tomato hot sauce is done, we're going to move on to the next stage, which is shaping the doners and getting them ready for the dome. So now we're going to shape our chicken doner onto the skewers. Just take a bit of meat, make sure it's, it's come out of the fridge, it's nice and cold. We're going to start it off by getting it into a bit of a sausage shape so that we can feed the stick through it. So the chicken doners have gone in the dome, sitting at around about 380, 400. I just want to get a nice bit of colour on the outside. They shouldn't take too long to cook, 5-6 minutes. Just turn them every now and again. They're getting too dark on the one side. That's what's good about the swords. You can just go up to one. Make sure you use a cloth just in case they get hot. And you can just flip them as you need to. And you can change them around if you want to get one closer to the wood and one further away. Chicken doners are looking good now. They've had about 6 to 8 minutes. It's all depending on the ovens, whatever you got the dome sitting on, gas or wood. The cooking time will just vary slightly, so you just want that nice bit of caramelisation on the outside. You can see the meat's cooked, see it's all nice and bouncy. See all the fat that's still in there. None's come out onto the tray. It's all still in the meat. That's from the emulsification that we did with the water. These bad boys are ready to go onto the pizza. So next stage of the recipe is to cook our pizza base. If you need a recipe for that, go to gozney.com. This is a Neapolitan dough ball, but there's plenty of recipes on the website. So we've got some semolina. We covered the dough in that, and we're just gonna shape it out into as best as a circle as we can. Once you've got the shape, add your tomato sauce. So this is the pizza style tomato kebab chili hot sauce that we did. Spread it out just like you would for a normal pizza that you're making. Try and keep that crust exposed so you get that nice rise and that nice flavour to the crust. Next, take the peel, bit of semolina again, get the pizza on. Final stretch out into the dome. Dome's on nearly 500 degrees. That's what you want for this pizza dough. They'll obviously all vary, but if you choose to do this Neapolitan, have it around 500. You want to cook it fast, keep it rotating in the oven. Phew, that's a hot oven, that is. So the pizza's come out of the dough now. Nice hot oven, got that nice blisters around the outside. I'm gonna take a skewer, whichever one you fancy, and then push it up. And then we're just gonna try and emanate the rotating, beautiful meat that we find in these beautiful late night meat establishments. You can see the texture of the doner, it's just like it would be on the spit. It's got that nice bounce in the middle there, look, that nice juice all in the inside. Once you've got enough meat, start spreading it out nicely on your pizza, you know, so everyone gets a bit, or you can triple up, double up. We're gonna start with the kebab style salad. So first of all, let's put a bit of meat on there. We're just going to share it out, you know, as much as you like. I'm going to go for a bit because the sauce is quite hot. You want to make sure you get some on every bite because you're obviously going to cut the pizza up. And next, start with the lettuce because that's always the base of the salad. Some tomatoes, cucumbers, some nice raw red onions, some spring onions. These are the green tops of the spring onions and the whites. So you got all the salad on top. So it's like an open kebab. You can see where we're headed. And then we're gonna put some of these really spicy, nice pickled chilies on the top so that we get an even more intense heat and it takes us to that kebab van that we had in Berlin that we never forget. And that's it. That's my chicken doner pizza, all done in the bad boy dome. As always, last thing to do is to eat it. So let's get this beaut cut up. With this, you can cut it smaller, but to be honest, I'm gonna get it and I'm gonna fold it like a kebab. That is a kebab. Yes. It's a yes for me. We'll have a kebab or a pizza when you can have both. For the recipe, please go to Gozney. Gozney. For the recipe, go to Gozney.com.